Welcome to Lehmannaudio. Today it's all about our Decade phono preamplifier. Hello, great to have you here on the Lehmannaudio YouTube channel. With the launch of the Decade phono preamplifier, we celebrated 10 years of Black Cube in 2004. Since then, there have been some further improvements. The special benefits of the Decade phono stage are, first of all, a very low noise amplification. This means we hear music and nothing else. And we have 4 different gain settings. This means we have a very versatile adaptability to many kinds of cartridges. These different gain settings are accessible on the faceplate. Also accessible on the faceplate is the activation of the soft bass roll-off filter. We have a separate adjustment of gain, loading and capacitance. We have a very good channel balance due to a very narrow component selection. This means we have a very stable stereo image. The Decade features a captivating, authentic music reproduction full of energy. And thanks to the discrete output stage, the product can drive even very long cable runs. Available faceplate colors are silver, black and chrome. This is what our Decade looks like when you receive it from your specialist audio retailer. After opening the packaging, you can see the audio section, the PWX2 power supply unit, which has a connection for a second phono stage, the shielded connecting cable with original Neutrik connectors between the power supply and audio section, the mains cable, the operating manual in 5 languages, an Allen key to open the device brochure and other documents, and the warranty registration with an envelope if you wish to register your device by postal mail. Alternatively, you can register online on the Lehmannaudio website. The Decade is a phono stage whose main configurations are done on the front panel. The inputs and outputs are located on the rear side of the audio section, as well as the input for the connecting cable to the power supply section. Also on the rear side is the earth terminal, where you can connect either 4mm plugs, open ends or cable shoes in case your turntable has a separate earth wire. Configuration options for impedances and capacitances are accessible at the dip switches underneath the audio section. When all switches are in the off position, the setting is 47 kiloohms, which is great for all cartridges and can also get very good results with some MC cartridges. If the small white switches are at the bottom of the respective dip switch, then they are in the off position. Pushing them upwards mean they are activated. The most common settings are realized easily with the dip switches underneath. Is delivered by default for 47K, so if you have an M cartridge, you can use the unit as it is right out of the box. The top cover of the audio section has only to be removed in case you want to equip a special custom load resistor. Custom load resistors can be fitted without having to use a soldering iron, and then this custom load resistor is activated by using dip switch number 6 per channel. When the soft bass roll-off filter is activated by using the toggle switch at the faceplate, frequencies below 50 Hz are gently faded out. This can help in case you have many warp records or if you have placed your speakers rather close to the wall. It may also help in case you have a rather small two-way speaker with maybe even also a small power amplifier, because the two-way speaker does not transmit frequencies below 100 Hz anyway in most cases, and both speaker and power amplifier have more reserve in case you get these frequencies out of the range. The Decade has been an absolute classic among the Lehmannaudio phono stages since 2004, and it is for a reason that there has been so many positive reviews and many awards as well. Like all Lehmannaudio products, the Decade is manufactured entirely in Germany, and every single Decade is tested with our audio precision measurement computer before being packed. By the way, Autophone in Denmark, has been using our Black Cube statement since 2006 already in their cartridge manufacturing and test facility. Now you know our Decade phono stage. If you want more sound reproduction in reference quality, more dynamics, more quietness and even more authority, integrated SSS absorption feed included, ultimate component quality, then just go for the Decade Jubilee right away and let it inspire you. And if you need a complete analog preamplifier with a top-level phono stage, an additional line input, a pre-out, a reference level headphone output, absorption feed included, then go straight away for our new Phonolite analog preamp and be impressed. Thank you for your attention. Now I wish you much pleasure with your music.